What is the first picture that comes to your mind when you hear India? Flag! Flag is just a piece of cloth that holds the highest respect in our country, in our nation and all across the world. There's nothing beyond the flag and there's nothing above the flag. It is this day that we honor the tricolor, we honor our national flag, but also we honor the people who make and create the flag for us. Yes, we are going to visit, we are going to meet a flag manufacturer. His name is Gyan Shah and he owns the flag shop which is in Mumbai. Let's go and meet Gyan. So this is Gyan Shah, the owner of Flag Shop, and you know what? He's taking our flag to different parts of India and also all across our world. So Gyan, how did the journey begin for you?
So we initially started off with making just small flags for the desk, and then slowly we moved on to making larger size flags for the car window. Then we started with outdoor flags, that you can put outside your offices and factories. As well as now, since 2008, we've made many giant flags which are monumental in size, that are as big as 60 by 90 feet and beyond that also.
Okay, so Gyan started with smaller flags. पता है इन्होंने जब flags manufacturing start की वो छोटे छोटे flags से start की और अब जो ये करते हैं giant flags करता है. Most of the flag creations यहीं से होता है, the flag shop से. तो चलो जानते हैं, we'll know from Gyan the flags that you see, the giant flags that you see, where are the giant flags that he's actually installed and he's put in, the giant flags.
A lot of government institutions, there are malls, there are now airports and a lot of railway stations that have these monumental flags all across the country. So there are about, at least, in fact India is the only country in the world where such monumental flags are there at over 150 locations or maybe more than that. There is no other country in the world that has this size of flags.
What has been your personal, the moment that you felt that, this is the flag and, you've been so happy looking at your own piece of art going across, waving across. Which was that moment of your life?
So, the best moment for it, especially with giant flags, was the one that we installed at Kargil. It's at the Kargil War Memorial, where it's a tribute to all our heroes that sacrificed their lives, and it's a really beautiful memorial, and the location is so stunning. I really loved the way the flag is hoisting over there, which is it's actually another record of itself, because it's at the highest peak of India where such a large flag is hoisting as well. So that was one of the really proud moments for us.
And where are the other places that you have actually put your flags?
So besides that, we have the flag at Connaught Place in Delhi. Then there is the flag at the Bandra Worli Sea Link, which is right here in
So
Bombay.
at Connaught Place, at Bandra Worli Sea Link.
Yes, and even at the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation headquarters.
The NMMC, the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation. You know what, Gyan, I've always had this question that you have giant flags that go across places. Now with monsoons and with weather conditions, the flags get damaged because of the rains and the water.
Yes, that's a very good question. The giant flags that we manufacture we've made it in a way that's so robust that it can withstand a lot of wind pressure and as well as rains, even sunlight. So they are UV resistant. They don't fade very easily in sunlight or even if you wash them. Besides that, we've had in order to make it even more stronger, we used the best quality nylon threads to stitch it, as well as a newly introduced aqua rebuffing feature that we've got, which...
Aqua rebuffing feature?
Yeah.
What is this feature?
It basically doesn't let water absorb on the fabric itself. So it lets the flag remain dry. So during monsoons, it doesn't get wet at all. So this one is 20 by 30. Which is about 2 by 3 floors.
This one is 20 feet by 30 feet, which is 2 floors in height and 3 floors in the breadth.
Correct.
वेल आपको जब नीचे से आप देखते हो ऊपर झंडे को वो छोटा दिखता है, पर वो इतना छोटा है नहीं, काफी बड़ा होता है। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग फ्लैग। द रियल पीपल इन मेकिंग द ट्राई कलर, दीज आर द हैंड्स दैट गो इन हियर। और भारत में तो हम ऐसे ही कहते हैं, टुगेदर विद मी, जय हिंद।